Hello and welcome to our channel Living North of Atlanta. I'm Shauna Sherrill with eXp Realty, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of one of our new listings. We are in Vinings Estates, which is in Mableton, Georgia, and we're just outside of I-285, which is the perimeter that runs around Atlanta. So we are less than a mile from Whitfield Academy, and that's a private school that's highly rated, highly sought after. And we're close to Truist Park, which is the Braves Stadium, and probably 20-25 minutes from downtown Atlanta. So there's plenty to do in the area. It's a great neighborhood. This is a quiet little street. And let me just give you a look around at how pretty these houses are. I'm just standing here on the front porch, giving you an idea of what your neighbors would look like. Very pretty brick homes. And it goes up the hill and around to a cul-de-sac. This is the home that we're going to tour. It's at 5459 Highland Preserve Drive in Mableton, Georgia. It's 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's going to be listed at $724,900, and it also has a full unfinished basement. It's just under 3,300 square feet on the main level. And it's time for us to take a look. Okay, coming in the front door, have a living room to the right, your flex room here, a very nice sized dining room, nice transom windows, nice lighting package. And then as we make our way around, I'll head up the stairs here in a few minutes. We come right into the living area. Very open, the kitchen. There is a guest bedroom on the main level. And it has access to a full bath, which is off the hallway. This is interesting. The tub is behind door number 1. We come right back out into the hallway. Have a coat closet here. And we will make our way into the living area, where you have fireplace. Very pretty built-ins. Get this 2-story family room. Lots of light coming in. Head on over to the kitchen and breakfast area. And we'll take a look outside. As you head outside, have a covered deck area and very large open deck area. Have a fenced yard, and the lot actually goes back up into the trees there. They've just fenced off the yard just enough for the puppies. This home has 3 side brick and hardy plank on the back side. All right, let's just keep going and check out this kitchen. All righty, we are back inside. Have a gas cooktop here. Very pretty backsplash. Stained cabinets. Granite countertops, breakfast bar area in addition to your breakfast area, double bowl sink, stainless steel appliances, oven microwave. There's a lot of counter space in here. Just off the kitchen is your laundry room. Plenty of cabinets for storage. And a pantry. Now while we're here, let's take a quick look at this garage. It has the epoxy floor and it's extra deep so you can fit large size trucks and vehicles in here. Alrighty, let's just continue making our way around the corner here. This just leads right back into the dining room, but here is your entry to the unfinished basement. So stairs are finished, but as you get to the bottom, it is a full unfinished basement ready to be built out. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. As we come to the top of the stairs, we have this awesome view overlooking the living area. And just to the left of the staircase is the linen closet. And here is the first bedroom. It has an ensuite bath. You see there's built-ins here as well. Lots of space to display your things. And then you come right into the very large primary suite. Now that is a closet, walk-in closet, and as you head into the bath area, you have another walk-in closet and a linen closet. Dual vanities, split, plenty of space here. Nice jetted tub here, shower, tile surround, and your water closet. And tucked away here, make this your office, or whatever you would like it to be, sitting area. Got a lot of space back here. It's very private and just a wonderful master suite. And then to finish it off, we'll take a look at the other two bedrooms. So here is the third bedroom upstairs. And you have somewhat of a Jack and Jill bath here as it goes right into the other bedroom. You have your tub shower combination and your fourth upstairs bedroom. Well, that concludes our tour of 5459 Highland Preserve Drive. It's a beautiful home. It is available for $724,900. Would make a great home for a family. And if we can help you with this or any other in the area, please reach out to me. My team and I are ready to go, ready to help you make a move and transition easily to the North Georgia area. If you haven't yet liked and subscribed to our channel, make sure you do so you don't miss any of our future tours. Hope you have an awesome day and thanks for watching.